Hey guys, A28 Fine Adventure. I recently acquired a little vehicle, a little hatchback car, and it had an oil leak. And I wanted to find out before I took it to the shop where exactly or whereabouts that it was and where it might be coming from. Because you never know, you take cars to get fixed and they might come back and say, well, it needs this, 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 and this, but it's only one of those. And before you spend thousands of dollars, it's best to know what it is and kind of be a little educated on it. So I'm one of those research people. I do a lot of research, watch a lot of videos, and kind of narrow it down using logic at what it might possibly be. The mechanic's still the boss, because he's going to be fixing it. But just to save money, and I just like to know what's going on. So I bought this kit, which is a bunch of extendable arms with lights and mirrors and all kinds of stuff, so I can look down under the engine and see where leaks are coming from. It did help, but I'm going to try it out on the Tundra, and I'm going to show you what's in this kit. So let's get to it. So let's check out this kit. Alrighty. So I got this off Amazon. I'll put a link under the video in the description. They might have one at your local hardware store, or maybe at Harbor Freight. I'm not sure. But this is comes with all kinds of stuff here. So first, you've got this, which extends out. And I thought it was just a mirror at first, but then I noticed that it has also got a light on it. So you can turn that on and look at that. You can poke that down under the engine and you can see with it. You can see it works pretty good. Turn that off. Let me show you some other things here. Came with this. I think this little thing is to, yeah. I don't know why it came with that. That's just to fix your eyeglasses. I'm not sure. This right here, that's a teeny magnet at the end. This is for getting, getting screws out of little tight places. So that's kind of cool. It's got a little pin clip here, so you can put it in your shirt pocket with your pocket protector. The next thing, it comes with this right here, and this one's made by Nico. This is a larger magnet. It extends really long if you drop something down in the engine bay, or if you're just working at home and drop something down the wall of your house or something, it would work for that. So that's cool. It's got two magnets. Then it comes with another mirror on extendable rod. This one does not have a light, but it works pretty good. This is the one I've seen most mechanics use, but the one with the light, this one right here, pretty good deal. Now this kit is fairly inexpensive, and so it would really be handy if you had one. This right here is a flashlight. Has a magnet on the bottom. Has a clip if you want to put it in your pocket protector, and it's just a light. But look at that. It extends out and has a slinky arm, so you can get it down there and shine it in areas. I mean, this stuff is just really innovative. There we go. So it just goes down like that, and look at this. Look at this. When this piece comes out right here, it's a little, and you can bend it, and you can turn it on. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's neat. So let's poke around under the engine with these things. So let's take this one right here. I'm going to turn the light on. Okay. And let's extend that out. Okay, I got it extended out. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that real well, but you can get down in there and see things, see what's going on, poke around, and it's pretty cool. You can look under things with it. That's a pretty cool device there. Now we have this one right here. Let's see how this one does. Let's extend it out. I'm going to put it down like this. I'm going to bend it just a little bit. See if we can use that to, you can see, you can get under there, see under things. And be careful, you don't want to disconnect anything and just pull it up. And look at this. You can, Look back there, see if you got any rodent trouble or anything like that. But pretty cool stuff. I mean, these are really handy, and I'll be using these a lot, I'm sure. Um, as the more work I do on this truck. Here we go. We're going to fold that up. See, it just folds up real quick like that. Then we have this cool little flashlight here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You see it's on. I can extend it out. Then I can bend it like that. Look, if I need to, I can get down in there. I mean, that's pretty cool stuff. I mean, it's just very handy, all these things. I'm going to use these a lot. And there we go. Turn it off. It's like that. And it's got a magnet, just like that. Or I can, like that. And I can bend that light wherever I need it to go. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. So this is all just really handy stuff. So this kit's going to work really good for what I need to do and what I needed it for. I basically troubleshooted that oil leak on our other vehicle. So you can see the oil was coming all down the engine, all down the side, and I couldn't tell whether it was a valve cover, timing chain cover, or what. So I used, my phone to take some pictures, but this mirror set would have been really handy. So this kit worked really good. I was able to, like I said, pinpoint that oil change, kind of have an idea of where it might be. They washed the engine and called me back and told me something that was a lot less than I thought. It was only one gasket that had failed, not a bunch. So they fixed it. They cleaned the engine. They fixed that gasket. It saved me some money, and the engine's been dry ever since. So we got the right one. So all's good. This kit is really inexpensive. I recommend that everybody go ahead and get yourself one. I already had one of these extendable magnets, but they, that I use all the time whenever I drop something down in the engine bay. I also have one with a claw at the end that I got at Ace Hardware, and it's good for picking up push pins and stuff that fall down because they are not magnetic, and very handy. And these mirrors are super handy. Now, I'm not going to put all these back in the box. I've got some bags that I'm going to use. I got these zipper bags. I got these zipper bags off Amazon to hold tools and stuff. That's what I did for a while. I put all my sockets in here and stuff. Now I've got a tool roll-up bag. But these work great for that. It has a heavy-duty zipper. I mean, you can use these for anything. Keep anything in them. Your weapon or a bunch of knives or your eating utensils when you go camping or tools or whatever. So this is perfect for this. Make sure all the lights are off. They are. Put that in there, and then I have it. There's my handy little kit for doing a little diagnostic work. So there you go. I wanted to share that with you. It's real handy. I've really enjoyed using it. It helped me out with the car with the oil leak. It's great because it gets under there. You don't have to pull all the plastic pans off and stuff. The way I did it was I snooped around, took some pictures, and then zoomed in on those pictures to see, and it just really helped out. So I just wanted to share it with you because it's very handy. And, check out the link, see what it is. It's a great stocking stuffer because it's small, and, you can use it. It's very handy. So that's all I wanted to say here. But, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And, share some of your own do-it-yourself stuff, or tell me about some of the other oil leaks that you found with stuff like this. And I will see you next time. See ya.